Hey there folks, Nathan Donnelly, technical horticulturist out here with CropKing, and I'm out in our experimental research hydroponic tomato house this morning, and I wanted to share with you guys kind of what varieties that I'm growing out here this year and evaluating to be able to communicate well with our customers on what varieties we feel that they should be growing. And so varieties that I've got in here are primarily from DeRuiter. And so when I set up my trials, I like to make sure that I have a constant or a variety that I am familiar with that I've grown for several years so that I have something to compare the new ones against to. And that variety is Novero out here this year. It's a brown rugose resistant variety, one of the first ones that was available on the market that I'm aware of, that I've grown for the past 3 years. And it's done very, very well for me. Yielding above average where it would be, and then getting consistent fruit yield throughout the year, even during the heat of summer. And so new varieties out there from DeRuiter are going to be Riboski. So Riboski sounds a lot like Riboski, which is also from DeRuiter, but it is not the same variety. Okay, so Riboski, it's going to be a much larger tomato. It's going to be producing a tomato that should be somewhere between 10 and 12 ounces. And it should be able to maintain that same marketable fruit size and yield throughout the heat of summer. It is what they refer to as their full red variety. So once that tomato is ripe and you cut that, it's going to have that red tissue all the way through, not just the skin. And then we move on to DRTH 5075. So still a numbered variety, doesn't have a name yet. It is a touche conversion, meaning that if you're used to growing touche or you're familiar with touche, the production practices with it are going to be very, very similar. Slightly smaller tomato in that 9 to 11 ounce range, but again, should be able to produce well throughout summer. And something else new this year that I started fiddling with is TOVs, or tomato on vine varieties. And so they've got a couple of new varieties, the first one being Serenity. So Serenity is going to give us somewhere between a 6 and 7.5 ounce fruit. Again, these trusses are for TOV, tomato on vine, so they're jointless, meaning that you're harvesting that entire fruit cluster while it's still connected to the truss. This is going to be an earlier variety as they talk about it, because it's going to basically have a good speed to maturity, meaning that it is going to be an earlier variety for your production season. And then Grandise, slightly larger Grandise is slightly smaller of a truss TOV tomato, but it's going to be your one that maintains that consistent fruit production out into the summer. So usually when we're dealing with tomato varieties, there's ones that do well early on, then there's ones that do well later on. There's very few that I have found that have nice consistent production when it is cooler and darker, and then also when it is brighter and sunnier. So that's why when I'm planting tomato houses or making recommendations to growers, I don't have them just plant all one variety. Because if we do have issues with a particular variety, now we are stuck. So there's other varieties out there, constantly evaluating. I've got a couple of new cherry varieties in here that are pre-intros, so I won't get too much into those, but hypothetically, as long as they make the cut list this year, they'll be available next year, and then hopefully they have names. But you guys will see those throughout the growing season here. And if they're half as good as they say they are, I'm pretty excited about it. And so that's what we have going on out here in our research greenhouses and our education greenhouses. If you're interested in seeing this stuff in person, go out and check out the website for our grower shop dates. We still have seats available in all the months that we're offering this year. And you'll get some hands-on experience and actually get to taste these tomatoes come May and June.